What's up, guys? Today we're going to start swapping over the old go-kart onto the new go-kart. So first thing, I need to go get the other go-kart out of the shed because that's where we put it as of recently. Didn't want it sitting in the garage taking up a bunch of space, and the Jeep was in here. Guys, so we got both the go-karts in the garage now. Today we are going to start disassembling the old go-kart and seeing what parts we need. This is going to be probably a two-part thing. One, we're disassembling this kart. The next video will be actually putting everything onto the other one. But for now, we need to take everything off of the old go-kart, see what we can swap over, see what we need. Because I think we're going to need like 2 tires, because those tires, they're actually, I didn't even realize this, but look at the size difference. They're way smaller than the other ones, but we might be able to use 2 of the old ones. So we'll see. I probably want to just get 2 new ones anyways. But for now, we're going to start taking this off. We're going to need, for sure, the engine, the 2 front tires, probably maybe the steering wheel. Probably won't use the seat because we already have a seat, actually, for the other one. But I'm going to go ahead and start disassembling this go-kart and laying everything out on the ground so that you can see everything we need, or that we already have. Alright, so I just got the 2 front tires off, and I realized that I actually painted these. I think it's Plastidip, which is kind of crappy. So I'm probably going to repaint these, and the other ones, the other rims I could probably use because they aren't in bad condition. I think I actually have a couple that look exactly like these because these are from an older go-kart. They just have new tires on them, but they look pretty good. They just have like the black paint on them. So I think I'm going to do that with the other 2 so that I don't have to get new rims. I just need 2 new tires, and I actually might be able to use old ones. I'm not sure yet though. Gonna have to test them. Alright, so I got the engine, the suspension off, and the seat off. All I need left is the axle, the live axle, and then I'm just going to put this whole go-kart away. I'm going to figure out what parts we need. I'll take you guys inside to see what everything would cost. Alright, so I finished taking apart all the stuff off the old go-kart, and it looks like we're going to have everything we need for the new go-kart. I will get a new brake pad because that one's just old, and the metal's starting to show through the rubber on the inside. But here's where the old go-kart is, new go-kart. We have an engine, we have 2 tires, we have a chain, a sprocket, brake pad, steering wheel, full suspension, or full front steering, and we have the cage. We just need to get hardware, a brake pad, and the 2 new tires. We have rims for those tires though, and we have bearings too. We just need the new tires. So I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and see what that'll look like price-wise. Alright, so I'm at my computer right now. I have found bolts that are or the hardware that's going to work for the cage. There's a pack of 10 bolts that are very similar to these ones. They're actually the exact same size, and they are $7.59. And I found the locking nuts that are going to go with the bolts, and they're packs of like 150 for like $8 to $12. So I'm gonna look through those some more and see if I can find like a pack where they come with them. I'm also going to need washers, but we have a ton of those. And I actually found two more tires that I forgot about because we didn't have a live axle originally. So we had these tires on, and they're just going to show on the screen right now. Also, right here is going to be a list of all the prices we are at right now and what the profit and everything is looking like. And at the end of this video, I'm going to do like a full price analysis, how we flipped it, how much money we made, like is it worth it to do this. But yeah, next video we are going to start assembling the off-road Carter go-kart, so that'll be a plus. We should have all the parts to do that with. Oh, also brake pad is going to be like another $10. They're cheap, but that's all we need. All we need is brake pad and hardware, and we're done. Should be able to finish it and get it running next week or next video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.